So now that we've introduced the crossfader into our scratch repertoire, it's time to learn how to use it together with the record in a more percussive sense. The stab scratch is an aggressive technique and produces a single short sound. Once again, your record needs to be cued to the start of the sound, and your crossfader needs to be in the closed position. Rather than sliding the crossfader open and letting the record play like we did before with cuts, this time we're going to rest our thumb against the crossfader and use the weight of our fingers to pop it open for a split second. You need to apply just the right amount of pressure either side so that the fader springs back and forth and doesn't stay open. For every time we spring the crossfader open, we're going to apply a fast forward push on the record, basically like a fast baby scratch, so that when both hands work together, we allow only the forward sound of the record to be heard. Generally speaking, stabs are performed with power and speed to produce the high-pitched stabbing sound that we're trying to achieve. Here's some examples of stab scratches along with our previous techniques over a beat.